along with Jim Houston.
We're ready to give you complete play-by-play and analysis of what promises to be quite a match.
The face-off goes to the...
Hurricanes over the blue line. Heitman,
One-timer!
Slavin stops the shot. Played across. In over the line. Teravainen, Slavin scores! Carolina is looking confident out there.
It's because they're having fun, Jim. That kind of attitude is tough to beat.
Draisaitl gets pushed. Shea takes possession of the puck. Brings it in. Working along the perimeter. Gensel gets the loose puck.
One-timer!
A delayed penalty call against Carolina. Gensel is going off for hooking.
For ticket information or to rent a table, please call our front office during business hours.
Draisaitl scoops up the loose puck.
Gensel, 2 minutes for hooking.
Draisaitl, backhanded shot, picked up by Edmonton. Over the line. Stahl, Ceci with the puck. Brings it out. He jumps on the loose puck. Kane. Backhand.
Scores on the power play. Find the open man, then find the open net. That's what it's all about. And that's what they did. They really utilized the extra room on the ice with that goal. Good power play effort all around.
Edmonton ties it up early in the first period.
Jim, they're really setting the tone early here.
Assisted.
Moved ahead. One time. Teravainen picks up the puck from Anderson. Kuznetsov. Bouchard pushes him. Nurse gets the loose puck. Slavin. Over center. Slavin finds the loose puck. Orlov. Carolina jumps on it. In behind. Gagne with the puck. Harry. Shoots it. Anderson stabs at it. Anderson freezes the puck.
The face-off goes to the Oilers.
Henrik slap shot. He's with the puck. Ceci. Quick shot on the right. Anderson makes the pad save. Offside, Edmonton.
The face-off goes to Edmonton.
Shanfield jumps on the loose puck. Kotkaniemi. Netchas got it. Stacher finds it. Netchas shoots. Campbell denied him. Orlov. Nugent-Hopkins takes possession of the puck. Delayed call against Edmonton. Pass to him. Netchas with the puck. Wrist shot. Nugent-Hopkins is going to the box for interference. Henrik takes control of the puck.
Hopkins, 2 minutes for interference.
Shoots it quickly. Blocked. Draisaitl jumps on the loose puck. Slavin. And out they come with a puck. With a wrist shot. Campbell denies him. Quick pass up. Henrik gets shoved. Hyman gets in the way. Campbell hangs on for the whistle.
Tuesday night is hat giveaway night.
The players are lined up and ready for the face-off. Aho won the face-off. Gensel finds the loose puck. Campbell gets a pad on it. Aho blasts Bouchard. Fast shot quickly. Moved back. Shea. Campbell freezes the puck. The puck is about to be dropped. Edmonton picked it up. Slavin gets the pass from Anderson. Pass to head. Dreisaitl steals the pass. In the corner, CZ. Ekholm gets the loose puck. Anderson, close the door. Burns brings it out. Quick pass up. Teravainen scoops up the loose puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Carolina. Shea will get the gate for hooking. The ref is ready to drop the puck. McDavid wins the draw. Nugent Hopkins has left the box, meaning his team will enjoy a 5-on-4 power play here. Wrist shot, leg save by Anderson.
Great stop on that shot.
Played up. Gensel dumps the puck in. Dreisaitl out over the blue line. He takes possession of the puck. Right in front. Advances the puck. Moved across. Quick pass up. Orlov takes possession of the puck.
Change up.
Stahl gets checked. He takes control. Burns scores. Short-handed.
Playing with a man down usually doesn't give you much of a chance to score. They netted one on that play. Nice effort.
Edmonton needs to generate some more offense.
If they can bounce back and tie this up quick, it'll be a huge boost in their confidence.
Orlov knocked him off the puck. Edmonton got it. Teravainen gets pushed, played up with a wrist shot. Orlov stops the shot. Moved back. He steals the pass. Cece gets hold of the puck. Rock!
Some nice contact there.
Shea leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Moved ahead.
Line 3!
Across. Corey Perry pushes Shea. Over the line. Henrik fires. Burns gets nailed. Stahl jumps on the loose puck. Henrik gets thrashed. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Edmonton gobbles it up. Ersney taken out.
They're making them work for it.
Slavin gets the loose puck. Svechnikov gets laid out. Dreisaitl finds the loose puck. The Oilers come in offside. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Carolina scooped it up. Nason hold down.
Jim, you can't draw it up any better.
Nason takes control of the puck. Campbell stoned him. Quick pass up. Corey Perry gets hold of the puck. Stahl. Corey Perry takes possession. Hyman, quick shot. Anderson denied him. Perry jumps on the loose puck.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Hyman. Dreisaitl. McDavid now has it. Grabbed by Carolina. Aho. And that concludes the first period. Edmonton has looked sharp on the power play.
With special teams like that, it won't take long for them to get the tying goals. Jim, when two teams are this close, you'll want to start the period with jump.
Maybe some early fireworks?
Exactly. Some physical play, lots of shots. You know, something to fire up your team.
And it's icing against Carolina. About to drop the puck. McDavid won the faceoff. Anderson stoned him cold. Brings it out. Shea. He gets hold of the puck. Bouchard. Heitman grabbed it. Carolina gets a hold of it. Out over the blue line. Brings it in. McDavid shoves Aho. Moved ahead. McDavid gets pushed off the puck. Edmonton has it now. Dunmark gets laid out. Aho scoops up the loose puck. Teravainen goes to the backhand. Campbell turned the shot aside. Played up. Carolina dumps the puck in. Dost grabbed it. Corey Perry. Carolina scoops it up. Working along the perimeter. Stall. Nurse takes control of the puck. Perry dumped it in. Hyman coughs it up. Anderson hangs on for the whistle. We're ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to Edmonton. Up through center. One-time shot. Fast glove.
Jim, he reacted purely on instinct with that save.
Out over the blue line. Centered. Offside. Carolina. The action's about to start. The face-off goes to the Oilers. Dost picks off the puck. Brown dumps it in. Carolina takes control. Ceci gets shoved. Brown grabs the puck. Harris. Henrik. Ceci scooped it up. Out of their defensive end. Over the blue line. Dost gets the loose puck. Gensel. Corey Perry grabbed it. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Henrik gets bumped off the puck. Orlov in control now. Jarvis.
Shove. He sent a message with that hit.
Jarvis takes control of the puck. Kotkaniemi returns it. Carolina now with it. Orlov. Wrist shot. Blocked. Ekholm knocked him off the puck. He gobbles it up. The Oilers dump it in. Chatfield scooped it up. Scores! Carolina will have to battle hard to regain the lead.
Especially now that they've lost momentum.
Burns scoops up the loose puck. Teravainen grabbed it. Shoots quickly. Teravainen got it. Gets the shot off. Edmonton picks it up. And out they come with the puck. McDavid gets muscled off the puck. Bouchard grabbed it. Nurse now with it. Heitman. Offside, Edmonton. They're getting ready for the face-off. Netchas scooped it up. Gagne, he gets laid out.
This game is getting physical.
Dunmark pushes Netchas. Delayed penalty call coming up for Edmonton. Jarvis.
Okay.
Dunmark gets called for hooking. They're getting ready for the face-off. Kuznetsov wins the draw. Out over the blue line. Played up. With a wrist shot. Stone cold by Campbell. Advances the puck. Slavin jumps on the loose puck. Offside against Carolina. The ref is signaling for the face-off. McDavid won the face-off. Nurse takes control of the puck. Aho. Shea, wrist shot. Campbell stoned him. Nurse. Aho grabs the puck. With a wrist shot. Stoned by Campbell. Hyman jumps on the loose puck. Wrist shot. Campbell gets the blocker on it. AINHL takes control of the puck. Breakaway. McDavid scores! Awesome individual play to get the goal.
That shorthanded goal has killed any momentum they might have had on the power play.
He got behind the defense with the puck and put it past the netminder nicely.
Toughest spot for a goalie is one-on-one. And he lost that challenge.
Svechnikov gets the loose puck.
The goal was unassisted.
With a wrist shot. Teravainen has it. Burns shot quickly. Campbell denied him. Moved ahead. Slevin takes possession of the puck. Kuznetsov gets checked. Pass back. Played back. Pad save by Campbell. Kuznetsov knocked him off the puck. Heitman. Nurse grabbed it. He has his pocket picked. Offside. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Aho finds the loose puck. Ginsel clotheslines Sticker. Quick pass up. Advances the puck. Nugent Hopkins with the puck. Brings it in. Aho, he gets muscled off. Scores! They're definitely making a game of it.
More than that, Jim, coming so late in the second, that goal will really pump them up.
Assisted by number 59.
Chartis shoves Bouchard past ahead. Over the line. Shot the puck. Carolina got it. Backhanded shot.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Get next year's models from the world's top automobile manufacturers.
Neither team has claimed this game yet.
No, that's right, Jim. The first and second were played fairly evenly.
Gagne wins the draw. He grabs the puck. Fogle. Gagne takes possession. Anderson gets a leg on it. Orlov gets the pass from Anderson. Martineau jumps on the loose puck. Gagne. Edmonton grabbed it. Harris backhands it. Taken by Carolina. Nason. He dumps it. Edmonton got it. Fogle. He dumps it in. Chatfield finds it. He gets thrashed. Offside, Carolina. McDavid won the faceoff. Bouchard grabs the puck. Netchas gets pushed. Centered. Advances the puck. McDavid runs over Kotkaniemi. Brings it out. Draisaitl gets checked. Heitman. Bouchard scoops up the loose puck. Netchas shoves him. McDavid takes control of the puck. Jarvis stands him up. Jarvis with the puck. Nugent Hopkins pushes Aho. D'Angelo. Hammer!
Caught him with a good one there.
Get up there.
Moved ahead. Played across. Quick pass up. Nason backhand. Stahl checks Harris. Perry jumps on the loose puck. Martineau. Campbell gets a leg on it. Ernie picks up the puck from Campbell out over the blue line. Henrik gets the loose puck. Anderson hangs on for the whistle. The puck is about to be dropped. Across. Bouchard. Janmark corrals the puck. Kuznetsov has it now. Burns. Gagne pushes him. Kuznetsov corrals the puck. Janmark takes it. Tervainen holds him up.
When you're on the road, you've got to play tough. Great glove! And he added a little flair to that great glove save.
Vogel gets checked. Nurse with the puck. Vogel fires it. Shea gets the pass from Anderson. Gensel takes possession of the puck.
Line 3! Line 3!
Vogel, he gets shoved. Stahl scoops up the loose puck. Nason, he gets pushed.
The fans don't like that one.
Into the attacking zone. Nason gets rubbed off the puck. Harris gobbles it up.
Line 2!
Carolina touches up for the icing call. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Stacher, he gets knocked down. Ekholm jumps on the loose puck. Aho shoots quickly. He scores! One goal down and half the period to tie it up.
This is when you want your impact players on the ice. The type of players who can single-handedly turn a game around.
Kotkaniemi, wrist shot. He jumps on the loose puck. Net shots.
Show. Took him out of the play that time.
Net shots. Gets pushed off the puck. Scooped up by Carolina. Campbell stabbed at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Gensel with the puck. Wrist shot from the left. Net shots. Hits the post. Campbell, great save. Stacher gets taken out. Intercepted in the slot. Campbell hangs on for the whistle.
Mascots from around the league will be participating in...
Edmonton has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
Moved ahead. Ersney finds the loose puck. Brown gets shoved. Huge shot. Martinook. He gets shoved.
A textbook body check, Jim.
Orlov scoops up the loose puck.
Line 1!
Brown. Martinook grabs it.
Last minute of play in the third period.
Kuznetsov. That's offside. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Gagne gets a hold of it. Through center. Carolina dumps the puck in. Gagne rings it out. Moved up. Edmonton pulls the goalie and puts out the extra attacker.
Things are heating up. Let's see if they can pull it off.
Quick pass up. Played across. Backhanded shot. Pass to hit. Out of their defensive end. Vogel shoots it. Burns gets in the way. Tervainen gets bumped off the puck. Jumped off by Carolina. Svechnikov shoots it hard.
Tonight's third star, Carolina number 74, Jacob Slavin. Tonight's second star, Edmonton number 97, Connor McDavid.
From Raleigh, North Carolina, and for EA Sports, I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Have a great one.